Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Laser Fridays. All right, so I've missed a couple of Fridays because I was sick and because I've just been working on other things. I mentioned in a couple of my videos ago that I was working on some special projects, some laser projects, but I can't show those to you until about next week. So that's why I didn't have any Laser Friday videos, but I'm back. I was sick for a week and I am so much better now, as you can hear in my voice. But yes, glad to be back and glad to be lasering again. So today I am working on a commission piece for a client who happens to love giraffes. So today is a giraffe piece. Now, this giraffe in particular is 8 layers. So this one's a doozy. And so took a while to cut all of this out on the machine. I think it's about over an hour and a half to cut out all these pieces. And I have to sit and babysit the machine. You can't really walk away from it while it's doing what it's doing, just in case there's some sort of mishap, a fire or something. You just never walk away from your machine. But anywho, you can see here it's cutting all the layers out. And I'm going to let you guys watch this for a little bit. And then, actually, no, I'll tell you guys while this is going. I am off to Fort Myers, Florida in a couple of weeks. In 2.5 weeks, I will be heading off to Florida and I'm going to be teaching with Kathleen from Cause Creations. If you are interested in seeing us and coming to join us and learn with us in Fort Myers, Florida, that's July 13th and 14th. We will be at the Hyatt Hotel in Fort Myers. You can still come. There's still spots available. You can email us at fluidartwithfriendsflorida@gmail.com if you are interested in attending. I will also be in Dallas, Texas, September 27th through to the 29th for Fluid Art Experience. So if you are in and around Dallas or Texas or neighboring, states, come and see me in Dallas, Texas. www.fluidartexperience.com. And of course, I am doing a workshop in Montreal, Canada. So if you want to come and see me in Montreal, you can email me at canellaciraco@gmail.com. That is happening September 14th, just one day, okay? And then, of course, my lakeside retreat with Billy from Fluid Art Co. That is happening June of next year. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh, it's a whole year from now. Why are you mentioning it now? Well, I'm mentioning it now because there's only 12 spots available. Just 12 spots. So if you want information on all of these events that I just mentioned, you can look in the description below of my videos where all the information and links and websites and email addresses, everything is listed below. All right, so my client wanted a non-traditional giraffe, as you can see here, which I was super excited about. I love giraffe colors, of course, but we all know how much I love blue and purple more. So my client wanted different shades of blue and purple. So I'm starting off with these layers here. Everything needed 2 to 3 coats. I only show you 1 coat though. And then when you put it together, you realize that, hey, some colors just don't look right. So you had to change a few up. So I did change 1 or 2 layers. You can see Juno laying down in the background there. My shadow, he's always around, always with me, always kicking around, keeping me company. All right, so this is layer, 4, 5, and 6. Now, the problem with the paints is you put the layer down and it looks great, but once it dries, it's so much darker. And that always doesn't work out because one of the purples I had used was so dark when it dried, it almost looked black. So I used permanent blue violet and it looked great when it was wet, but once it dries, it almost looked black. So I didn't like it. So I had to add a little bit of titanium white to it to lighten it up a little bit. But in the end, it all worked out. So I'm going to let you guys watch a little bit and I'll be back. All right, so the painting part is done, and I totally forgot to hit the record button when I put the first 3 layers together. So you missed that part, but no big deal. It's all the same. So here I am gluing down all the pieces of the giraffe. I'm loving the colors, how it turned out. So yeah, that's pretty much almost it. Video's almost done at this point. But I had a lot of fun making this guy because I just love how the colors turned out. And it's just super cute to have a little mom and a little baby giraffe. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. I'll show you guys a close-up in a minute. But look how cute he is. I love it. I think it turned out absolutely adorable with the colors. My client loves it. So I did take a paintbrush though after, and I did paint all the sides black. So you're not seeing that part here. I did actually paint all the sides black. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's edition of Laser Fridays. If anyone wants something commissioned, you know what to do. Email me. That's it for now, my friends. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.